we'll start looking for solutions to the apportionment problem with the method proposed by the United States' first Treasury Secretary, and for that matter, the future subject of Lin-Manuel Miranda's award-winning musical, Alexander Hamilton, where his idea was essentially to take the pieces that we have, round down, and then backfill from the top. So a little bit more specifically, the method that we have here, Hamilton's method, was to calculate each group's standard quota, then round each standard quota down to get the lower quotas, where you initially give each the lower quota, and with whatever surplus is left, allocate seats one at a time, starting with the group that had the largest decimal removed until the seats are all filled. Where this method was put forth in 1791 through Congress by Hamilton, but got vetoed by President Washington at his desk. So I guess he did miss that shot. However, in years later, it would be adopted by 1852 and stay as the main apportionment method used by the United States until 1911. So let's talk about how we would use this to solve that problem from Idaho, where what would happen there is we would take all of our values, the 4.37, the 6.08, the 7.38, and the 12.17, then round them all down to 4, 6, 7, and 12, and give that surplus of 1, because the lower quota gives 29 and we need 30, to group C, because they had the largest decimal removed, 0.38. And that would give us our proper apportionment. But it seems like a decent method, so why was it rejected? What did they use instead? And that's what we're going to look at next, is the method that was used initially by the United States, which was put forth by Thomas Jefferson.